Millions of drivers are missing hidden features built into their vehicles. Believe it or not, one simple trick could shield you from a $3,000 repair shock. Right now, you're probably ignoring smart systems designed to save your engine and protect your wallet. We've uncovered 18 astonishing automotive secrets lurking across every make and model. No fluff or filler, just hands-on hacks you can activate instantly today. Don't skip ahead. Let's dive into secret number 11. Secret number 11, seatbelt energy management loop. Ever notice that odd fabric fold near your buckle? You might assume it's leftover stitching, but here's what manufacturers won't advertise. That loop is an energy management system that rips under extreme force, slowing your body more gently in a crash. When impact slams you forward, the loop tears progressively, letting the belt pay out just enough webbing to absorb lethal G-forces. Without this sacrificial tear seam, your belt would jerk you to a dead stop, potentially crushing ribs or disabling organs. And the catch? Once it deploys, the loop is permanently compromised. You need a complete belt replacement, even if it looks intact. That's why post-accident mechanics always install a brand new harness after airbag deployment. Ingenious safety engineering, concealed in your everyday belt. Don't underestimate what seems like a truly simple belt. Secret number 10. Hidden battery saver mode. You accidentally leave your headlights blazing and the dome light on, then dread a lifeless starter. But here's a hidden safeguard you probably never knew about. After you shut off the engine and pull the key, most modern cars kick in a timed power cutoff. You'll enjoy 10 to 30 minutes of radio, interior lights, and window control before the system automatically deactivates accessories, preventing a fully drained battery. That delay protects your battery's health. Total discharge can irreversibly weaken the cells and reduce overall lifespan. Even better, several premium automakers have voltage sensing networks that strip power from non-essentials the moment charge dips below a safe threshold, preserving just enough juice to crank the motor next ignition cycle, reliably every time without fail. Guaranteed. Secret number 9. Secret auto lock trick. Ever hesitate when the key fob clicks, wondering if your door's really secured? Here's a hidden vehicle feature that banishes that doubt. No remote needed. With the driver's door open, press and hold the interior lock switch for about 3 seconds. On most newer cars, this activates walk-away locking. Shut the door, step back, and the car locks all latches automatically. Some retract mirrors, roll up windows, and arm the alarm. Some models even fold in side view cameras and disable interior lights to conserve battery. Perfect when your arms are full. Even better, you'll hear a chirp or see lights flash as confirmation. Forgot a window cracked or a mirror folded? This single action handles everything in one go. No more double-checking trips. Before we dive into the next crazy car hacks, hit that like button. It helps us keep making these tips. Done? Thanks. Now, up next is a trick you'll kick yourself for not knowing sooner. Secret number 8. Pin windshield washer nozzle adjustment. Your windshield washer spray missing the glass or soaking your hood can feel impossible to fix without a pro. But here's the DIY hack. Using a simple pin, needle, or straightened paperclip lets you realign your nozzles in seconds. Locate each tiny round orifice on your car's hood, then gently insert the tip and wiggle or bend it to aim the fluid stream where it belongs. In no time, the spray will sweep the entire windshield clean, not just splatter randomly. For heated jets, the process is identical. Just adjust both sides for uniform coverage. No more cold weather clog hunts or costly shop visits. Consider this precision tuning tool your secret weapon against streaky, inefficient wipers every season. Tools needed beyond a pin. Secret number 7. Grocery hook trunk storage. Ever load groceries only to watch bags topple with every turn? Most drivers overlook the built-in hooks hidden in your trunk's side panels and cargo wells. These discreet hangers pop out or fold down to cradle your shopping bags upright, preventing spills from soggy lettuce or spilled soda. Simply hook handles over these durable anchors, and your groceries stay put, even during sudden stops or sharp curves. On many SUVs, sedans, and hatchbacks, hooks slide along integrated rails so you can adjust placement per load size. Beyond food, use them to secure gym duffels, tether toolkits, or hang a garment bag so clothes arrive crease-free. Consider this feature your secret weapon for neat, worry-free transport. No more chasing runaway bananas or rescuing smashed eggs. Secret number 6. Windshield wiper service mode. Imagine pulling into an automated car wash or parking overnight during a blizzard. Your wipers forced flat against glass will either snap off or freeze solid, and when you hit the switch, the motor grinds and burns out. But here's the hidden solution. Most later model cars conceal a maintenance mode that swings wiper arms upright and away from your windshield. To activate it, shut off the ignition, and within a few seconds push the wiper stalk down to the single wipe click. The blades will rotate vertically and park like sentries at guard duty. Not only does this protect your precious blades and motor, but it also makes swapping in new rubber a breeze. No more wrestling behind the glass or scratching your paint. Better yet, if you thought that was slick, hang tight. The very next trick could prevent catastrophic damage in an unexpected fender bender. Secret number 5. Tire pressure alert when filling. Fed up with guessing when your tires are full? Certain cars take the uncertainty out of inflation. Park with ignition on, detach the air hose. Your hazard lights will flash, indicating real-time pressure monitoring. As you pump, the horn beeps once the sign matches factory spec. No more tire gauge checking. If you overfill, you'll hear rapid beeps and faster flashes, prompting you to vent air. On many models, the TPM's display updates live SI readings for each wheel, so you can fine-tune precisely. This system not only simplifies a chore, but also optimizes fuel economy and extends tire life by ensuring correct inflation and preventing premature, uneven tread wear. Let's cover a reset trick that can save you thousands on mechanic bills. Secret number 4. Battery reset ignition trick. Is your car acting up? Check engine light, lost radio presets, or unresponsive windows. Most people don't know you can reboot the onboard computer. Turn the key to the accessory position without starting. Hold for 30 seconds, then turn off and pull the key. Crank the engine normally. This ECU reset clears temporary errors and glitches. Here's the kicker. It can restore smooth throttle response, proper gear shifts, working windows, and clear phantom error codes, all without paying a shop. Mechanics often charge $50, $100 for a scan and reset, but you can do it free. Try this hack, then discover the next feature that'll prevent a gas station nightmare. Secret number 3. Emergency manual fuel door release. Picture yourself stranded at a pump with a dead battery, and that fuel door won't budge because the electric release is lifeless. But most drivers have no clue there's a hidden manual override inside your car. Pop open the trunk or fold down the rear seat back. Locate the small tether cable or pull tab near the fuel well. Give it a tug and the latch releases instantly, letting you open the door even with zero power. This fail-safe was engineered so you aren't stuck in a catch-22 with an empty tank and no way to fuel up. The owner's guide buries this in fine print, but once you find the lever, it takes under 15 seconds to access. Avoid a roadside disaster. Secret number 2. Seatbelt height adjustment. Ever frustrated by a shoulder strap that chafes your neck or slips off? There's a commonly overlooked fix. The plastic slider on the B-pillar, where your belt emerges, is adjustable. Press and hold the release button, then slide the anchor up or down to position the belt across your torso. Petite drivers should lower it so the strap runs above the shoulder. Taller drivers should raise it to clear the neck. Ignore this, and you risk serious injury. A too high belt can strangle in a crash. Too low, and it won't restrain you. Many models even sync belt height with seat memory profiles, auto-adjusting when you switch drivers. Adjust now for safer, more comfortable drives every time. Do it once, feel the difference immediately. Secret number 1. Hidden glove box, cooling vent. Pop open your glove box. See that discreet grill? It taps into your car's ACC, transforming the compartment into a chill zone. Ideal for stashing beverages, chocolate bars, or heat-sensitive meds at just the right temperature. A built-in vent slider lets you modulate cool airflow. Twist it open on sweltering days, and you'll have iced water or sodas on standby. No ice pack required. Here's the payoff. Drivers relying on insulin, camera gear, or beauty products maintain stable temps without a refrigerator. Yet most cram the glove box with clutter, owner's manuals, old receipts, tissues. Instead of using this frosty hack, clear it out, open the vent, and unlock instant cooling. Enjoy portable refrigeration anywhere. Which of these secrets blew your mind? Drop a comment below and share your top pick. I love hearing from you. If these hacks just saved you time, money, or a trip to the mechanic, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next round of hidden car secrets. And if you want even more DIY mechanic tips and tricks that can keep cash in your pocket, click on the next video. You won't believe what you'll learn.